Welcome to Meta Access. Today I'm going to demo the PingOne DaVinci connector. Here we have a Salesforce application in PingOne that we will use to demo. We will enable a PingOne DaVinci flow policy so that PingOne will utilize DaVinci and Meta Access to authorize access to Salesforce. Once enabled, we will add a Meta Access node to the flow for PingOne to authorize access to Salesforce. This will require some information that we will need to obtain from Meta Access. I will navigate to my Meta Access OAuth portal. Here, I have an OAuth application for PingOne. I will gather the client key and secret key from my OAuth application to configure it in PingOne. By deploying the connector, Meta Access will perform a deep compliance check on each device before and after it is granted access to critical applications, thereby avoiding compliance and security risks. Once configured, we can complete the flow and save all of our changes. We can test this with a device with the OPSWAT client installed. Using this compliant device, we will attempt to access Salesforce. And that's how you set up the DaVinci connector with Meta Access. Thanks for watching!